Have you ever looked around at work and thought, wait a second, I'm doing the best work here, but others are getting promoted ahead of me? It's frustrating. You work harder, you stay longer, you produce better results than anyone else, but somehow you're stuck. Meanwhile, people who are less experienced and less qualified seem to climb the ladder faster. You're not alone. This happens to thousands of high performers every single day. In this video, I'm going to break down why being a high performer isn't enough to guarantee a promotion, and more importantly, what you can do about it to finally get the recognition and advancement you deserve. Let's dive in. Why high performers don't get promoted. There are two main reasons. Reason number one, you've made yourself indispensable. Here's the hard truth. You're so good at your current role that your boss can't imagine losing you. Think about it. If you were promoted, it would leave a huge hole in the team. Someone else would need to replace you, your boss would need to recruit, train, and spend money filling the gap. That's work they'd rather avoid. So, instead of rewarding you with a promotion, they keep you right where you are, because it benefits them. By being the best at your job, you've unintentionally trapped yourself. Reason number two, you're stuck as an individual contributor. Here's the other big one. You're amazing at completing tasks, but you're not showing leadership potential. Promotions to higher levels aren't just about what you do now, they're about what you could do in the future. Your boss isn't only looking for someone who can perform their current role. They're asking, can this person manage people? Can they lead projects? Can they influence others? If the answer is no, even if you're the top performer, someone else who shows leadership potential will get promoted ahead of you. What you can do about it. So what's the solution? You don't need to stop being a high performer. You need to pair performance with potential. Here are 5 practical techniques to do just that. 1. Be strategic with your work. Don't just put your head down and complete tasks. Start taking on responsibilities that mirror what your next role will look like. Ask yourself, backhand index pointing right, what skills will a manager or director need here? Backhand index pointing right, what projects would prove I can handle that level? For example, instead of just hitting your sales target, volunteer to lead a cross-team initiative or help onboard new hires. That shows you're already operating at the next level. 2. Reframe expectations. Right now, people in your company may only see you as the reliable doer. That reputation can trap you. You need to change the way people perceive you. Say no to tasks that don't help you grow. Ask to join higher-level projects. Request opportunities to work with senior leaders. When people see you in new situations, they'll start to reframe who you are, not just a high performer but a high-potential leader. 3. Find a sponsor, not just a mentor. Mentors give you advice. Sponsors actively advocate for you when promotion decisions are being made. A sponsor is someone 2 levels above you with influence who can say, this person is ready. Let's promote them. To attract a sponsor. Deliver value on projects that matter to them. Support their goals. Build trust so they see you as someone worth backing. 4. Assert your opinion. Many high performers hide behind their work. They keep their head down, avoid conflict, and just hope their results will speak for themselves. But leaders don't just execute, they influence. Start speaking up in meetings. Share ideas. Challenge respectfully. Have a strong point of view. When senior managers see you voicing opinions confidently and backing them with logic, you'll look like a leader ready to step up. 5. Ask for what you want. This one is simple but powerful. Most people never ask. They fear rejection or worry about looking greedy. But here's the truth. If you don't ask, your boss will assume you're happy where you are. So be clear. In your next review, say something like, my long-term goal is to move into a leadership role. What skills should I develop to get there? You're planting the seed. You're showing ambition. And you're giving your boss permission to see you differently. So here's the big takeaway. Backhand index pointing right, being a high performer is not enough. You need to be seen as a high potential leader. That means being strategic with your work, reframing expectations, finding a sponsor, speaking up with confidence, and asking for what you want. Do this consistently and you'll stop being overlooked and start being positioned for the promotion you've been working so hard for. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more career growth strategies, and drop a comment below. Right, what's one step you're going to take this week to show your leadership potential? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.